In this video, you will learn how you can create subscription plans in Baremetrics application directly and automatically from your Google Sheets. So guys, Baremetrics is a subscription and analytics application, and here we are going to set up an automation by which you can directly create subscription plans in Baremetrics from your Google Sheets. For that, you have to connect Google Sheet as the trigger application and Baremetrics as the action application inside the automation workflow. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding very easily. So let's start. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And here you can just sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so I have pasted the same link in the description. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, which will look like this. Okay, and from here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. Here let me quickly give a name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Google Sheets to Baremetrics plans. Okay. So after giving this name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. Alright, and on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. So here in the trigger module, you have to connect Google Sheets, and here in the action module, you have to connect Baremetrics. So first of all, search for Google Sheets here. So in the trigger event, you have to select that event which is going to start this workflow. So here you can see it is showing us this option, new or updated row. That means whenever you are going to add any new row or update any old row inside the Google Sheet, the workflow is going to start working and the action would be the consequence of the trigger. So I'm selecting this option here, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to make this connection with Google Sheets by following these instructions written here. So you can read the instructions and follow them one by one. First of all, let me click on copy here. Okay, and you can watch the tutorial video also from this help text. You can see it is written here, watch tutorial here. So when you click here, you will reach our YouTube channel, and here we have already created a video on educating you about connection of Google Sheets in the trigger. So you can learn from here, and after that you can just move on, right? And here let me show you the spreadsheet I am using for this purpose. This is the spreadsheet I have created in Google Sheets named as Baremetrics plan, and these are the plan details I have entered. Okay, so here guys, you find this extensions option. Click on extensions, and from this add-ons you have to open the marketplace of Google Workspace, and from there you have to install an add-on which is called Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay, after that you have to refresh the spreadsheet and you will find the Pabbly Connect webhooks option available here in the drop down of extensions. Okay, and from here you have to click on this initial setup button, and under this initial setup you will find these two fields, the webhook URL and the trigger column. So in the webhook URL field, you have to paste the URL that you got here in this workflow. Okay, you have to just copy it and paste it here like this. And in the trigger column field, you have to paste the final data entry column of your spreadsheet. Final data entry column means this column. You can see we are entering the data starting from column A, then B, then C, then D, and finally we are entering the details in E column. So E column is the final data entry column, right? So click on extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup. Here let me paste the webhook URL, and here put the trigger column as E, and here we have this send test button. So when you click on send test, the data of the first row that you have in your spreadsheet will be sent to your workflow as the test data. You can see it is already showing waiting for the webhook response. That means we can send the test data here. So let me go back to the spreadsheet, and here I'm clicking on send test, and here you can see it is written test data sent successfully. Okay, so let's check in the workflow if we got the data, and here we have captured the data like this. You can see it is showing the sheet ID, the row index, and all the details we have entered in this spreadsheet is captured here, right? After that, guys, you have to go back to the spreadsheet, then click on submit and close this initial setup. Okay, so we are done making the connection with spreadsheet. Now it is time to connect Baremetrics application in the sections tab. Okay, so you have to search for Baremetrics and the action event would be create a plan. Okay, so select create plan, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API key of Baremetrics. So to find this key, you have to go to the Baremetrics application. From here on the profile icon, you have to click on settings, and under settings you will find this API tab right here. Click on API tab, and here you will find these two API keys. So we are going to use this live API key. So click on copy from here and paste this key here like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Baremetrics, right? And you can see source ID is selected already, and here it is asking for the OID, full name, currency, amount, and the all other details related to the plan. And we have the plan details in our spreadsheet, and we have captured the test data from our spreadsheet in our workflow already in the trigger step. So from this trigger step only, I am going to map the labels that I have received here in this step. Okay, so to map the data, you just have to click here in this OID field, and the previous step, the trigger step, will show up here in the drop down like this. And when you click here, the data will appear here like this, and from here you have to map the OID label like this. Similarly, for the full name, use this. For the currency, use this. For the amount, use the previous step. This is the amount. And now it is asking the subscription plans interval. So if you want to if you want a subscription that is going to be valid for, let's say, 30 days, so you have to select the time interval. So I have days, month, and yearly subscription plans. I am selecting days here, and the interval count I am putting here as 30. That means after every 30 day the plan have to be renewed. Okay, right? So this is the 30-day plan I am creating here. So you can select the plans according to your need. Okay, and the you can see I have mapped the labels here from the previous step. So when you map the labels like this, whenever the workflow is going to execute again in real time, the labels are going to change and new plans will be created according to the data that you have entered in the spreadsheet. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map the details here, map the labels here. Okay, now you can check your connection with Baremetrics by clicking on save and send test request, and a new plan will be created here under the plan management section. You can see right now I have this ₹0 per year plan of charge B. Let us see if our connection is working properly or not. So I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and this is the response I have received. Let's check in the plan section of Baremetrics if we got a new plan. I'm refreshing the plan section, and here you can see a new plan is created here with this name, demo name. This is the number, this is the pricing, okay, 30 days, okay, and this is the provider. So this is how a plan is going to be created automatically whenever you are going to enter the details inside this spreadsheet. Okay, so we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, whenever you are going to add any new row here or update any new row here in Google Sheet, the plans will be created and updated automatically in Baremetrics, right? And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow as well, so you can use it in your own free Pabbly Connect account by cloning this same workflow and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.